Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to recover your Twitter account without email or phone number. First, open one of your browsers and go to the URL box. Type down helpdex.com and hit enter. Wait for it to load, then use the search bar and type down recovery. Tap on search or find. Scroll down and find the option how to reset a lost password or recovery. Tap on it. Then scroll all the way down until you find the section more password help. Tap on the hyperlink that says X support. Select the option I need to regain access to my X account, then please tell us more which is required. Tap on this dropdown and select one of the options. I believe my account is hacked or compromised. Scroll down, are you able to log in? No, your X account. Make sure that you enter the correct X account, or X username and the correct email right here. Enter your secondary email if you don't have another email. Create one and put that in here. Please enter an email address we can use to contact you. Tap on this calendar view, select the date, then what confirmation method did you use to create this account for? You can go ahead and choose email address or phone number. Okay? And then hit on submit. Wait for the X reply or Twitter support's reply to the email that you entered right here. Hopefully you'd recover your account. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.